Hello, Sam, No Nonsense Review, going through all my gear that I've been using for the last 10 years on major commercials and so on, and something that which there's 1,000 reviews on is the SM7b by Shure, and that's because it's an amazing microphone and it's really handy as a sound recordist to have something to do voiceovers on set, so on location. Especially for commercials. Sometimes they just need to have a really pure voiceover, and it's perfect for shit rooms that you may come across. They're also just great to have around. So they're expensive, but that's because they are the best sounding direct mic, I think. Dynamic mic, sorry. Yeah, they're brilliant. They're also, if you're a studio owner, an absolute no-brainer because they sound amazing on anything bass and vocals. Bass drums, bass guitars, and snare drums and things like that. They can take the SBL and they just sound great. So, well worth having in your arsenal.